Good afternoon. Welcome to our English lesson. Today I'm going to learn English with WD. So the first one is thoughts. Thoughts means Thought. This I can't read your thoughts. Very good. That's tough means Tought. Tough means the exam was very difficult. The third one is though. Though. Though means Though. Yes, she was tired. Though she keep working. The third one is this one is throw. 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 Throughout. The doctor gave him through the examination. The third one is throw. 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 Throw means Through. This she walked through the forest. So ምንድን ናቸው እንግሊዝኛ ውስጥ እነዚህ ተመልከቱ። Thought ሲነበብ ቶት ይባላል፣ ሀሳብ ማለት ነው። ሁለተኛው ደግሞ Tought ደግሞ ታፍ ማለት ጠንካራ ማለት ነው። ሶስተኛ ደግሞ Tought ቢሆንም እንኳን ማለት ነው። the third one is ደግሞ Through የሚለው ትሮ ማለት ጥንቃቄ ማለት ነው። አራተኛው ደግሞ Throughh ትሩ ማለት ነው። ሶ እነዚህ ደግሞ በበኩል ማለት ነው በጣም ተመሳሳይ ለማንበብ very difficult ነው። So that student I'm thankful for my like video. This is very important. That tough, though, and throw. These are that very important. Next time we will discuss about another English language. ብዙ ተማሪዎች ብዙ ሰዎች ሲያነቡት